Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be making the super crispy chicken tenders. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, here I have my chicken strips, and with that I add buttermilk, eggs, chicken season, parsley flakes, Old Bay season, garlic and onion powder, and also paprika. Now I'm gonna be coating those strips in that flour mixture. Now guys, in a shallow pot on medium heat, I'm gonna be frying my chicken strips for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. And be sure not to overcrowd your chicken strips, guys, because you don't want it to start steaming. So okay guys, to check the doneness of your chicken, you want to go ahead and use a meat thermometer and ensure that the temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you want to drain the excess oil from your chicken strips on a paper towel. Then you're just going to repeat the same process with the remaining chicken strips. So okay guys, look how crispy our chicken tenders are. I went ahead and I served those with Cajun fries, homemade of course. Yes. Yes, homemade guys. These were so good and so flavorful guys, especially that buttermilk or marinade. Ooh, honey, like it was just it was so good. Yeah, so good, crispy and delicious. And here is our chicken strips, guys. Oh my goodness. They were so good. Oh my goodness. Super crispy and so flavorful, guys. I went ahead and I made some Cajun fries. I served those up with some Cajun fries and they were super delicious. Be sure to try out this recipe, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.